Hello everyone, Amir here. So a lot of us have left our properly engineered office spaces and we're working at a makeshift home workspace, and not everyone has access to those ergonomic chairs and we're working at a kitchen table. If you haven't already, soon you might get some aches and pain. So today we're gonna go through some stretches and exercises to help you prevent that from happening. Before we get into the exercises, I just want to touch on how the proper posture should be. If you're like most people, you're working like this, or if you're like me, you're working like this. And there are four major issues with both of these postures. First is the hips. The hips are tilted backwards, so you want to make sure you tilt them forward like this. So pull your belly button forward. The second one is the chest. You want to bring your chest up. And the third one are the shoulders. You want to take them back and down. And the last one is the neck. You want to bring it back. So neck is a major contributor to aches and pain, especially right here. Also headaches. When your head is forward like this, these muscles over here have to work extra hard in order to keep your head in this position and prevent it from falling like this. But when your head is back, these muscles don't have to work as hard because your spine is doing majority of the work. A few things that you can do to help you maintain this posture is bringing your screen up like this, using an external keyboard. Also, you can use a standing desk, and your screen needs to go a little bit higher, or if you don't have a standing desk, you can use a pillow, put it on the ground, work like this. Again, bring your screen higher. When you're in this position for an extended period of time, that can lead to stiffness of your spine in this kyphotic position. In order to reverse that, we need to mobilize your spine and help you expand your rib cage and extend your back. And for that, we're going to use a foam roller. If you don't have a foam roller, you can use a towel, so roll it and use that. Put the foam roller around the bottom of your thoracic spine, right around your last rib. From there, cross your arms and slowly let your upper back drop. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Back up, roll the foam roller up, let the upper back drop, hold it for 20 to 30 seconds, and back up, roll it up again. Repeat the process till you hit the base of your neck. And you can do this 1 or 2 rounds. Don't drop on the foam roller, and also don't put too much pressure on it because you can break your spinous processes, and trust me, you don't want that. And this exercise really helps to mobilize your thoracic spine, so when we're gonna do the strengthening exercises, you can hit the full range of motion. When your shoulders are rolled forward for an extended period of time, that can lead to tightness in your pecs and your lats. Your pecs are adductors and internal rotators of the arm. Your lats are also internal rotator of the arm. In order to bring your shoulders back and down, we need to stretch the pec and the lat. For the pecs, we need something that you can put your arms on, a corner like this, or a doorway would do. Put your arms like this and bring the same leg forward. Slowly lean into it. Make sure your chest is up, your back is neutral, and you're not getting into a painful position. You should feel a stretch right here. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds, then repeat with the opposite arm. And you can do this for 2 to 3 sets. In order to stretch the lats, we need a dowel or a broomstick. Bring your arms in a V position like this. Put them on a box or a chair and slowly go down. If your upper back is flat like this, that's gonna help with T-spine mobility. In order to stretch the lats, we want to round our back. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds and then relax, and then repeat for 2 to 3 sets. When your hips are tilted back, that causes tightness in your hamstrings. In order to stretch your hamstrings, and we're gonna add calves as well, put something in front of you under your toes, keep your heel down, don't bend your knee, tilt your hips forward, keep your back neutral, and slowly bend forward. You're gonna feel a good stretch behind your leg. Keep this position for 20 to 30 seconds, then come back up, switch leg, and repeat this for 2 to 3 sets. Now we're done with the stretches. It's time to strengthen the muscles in order to maintain that proper posture. So the first thing we're gonna do is chin tucks. You gotta embrace the double chin. We're gonna bring our head forward, we're gonna tuck our chin and bring our head back. You can do this for 3 sets, 12 to 15 repetitions. It's gonna really strengthen the muscle in order to bring your head into the right position. In order to bring our shoulder blades down and under, we need to strengthen our serratus anterior. For that, we're gonna bring the arm into a 45-degree angle. From there, internally rotate the arm all the way down, shoulder coming up. Externally rotate all the way back, shoulder coming all the way down. And you're gonna feel the serratus anterior activating right there. This is really gonna activate the fire, the serratus anterior, and trust me, you're gonna feel this one. The last exercise is going to put everything together. It's gonna strengthen your back to pull your shoulder blades together, and it's gonna help you extend your back and open up your chest. And it's called eyes, Y's, and T's. For this one, lie on your stomach, bring your arms in front of you, thumbs up, and from here, tuck your chin, lift your arms, hold it for a second, back down. Then we're gonna go to the Y position, 45-degree angle, lift your arm, hold it for a second, bring it down. Then we're gonna go to the T position, lift your arms for a second, back down. Again, eyes, Y's, T's. Eyes, Y's, and T's, only 1 repetition. You can do this for 2 to 3 sets, 12 to 15 repetitions, and it's gonna have a huge impact on your posture. If you're looking for a scientific exercise program designed specifically for your body and fitness level that delivers the result that you want, make sure to check out our programs at mvyp.com. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want me to cover a specific topic, leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to do that for you. That is it for this video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.